What I'm doing here today is installing a Fuku backup camera. It fits in the Furrion pre-wired system, and it also has their connection here. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and attach the antenna on the back of the camera, as well as the two antennas on the receiver. Okay, got those antennas attached on the back of the monitor there. There is a spot for an SD card, and they come with a little cover here. We'll go ahead and install that cover. There's a little sun shield that you can place on there. Okay, our camera comes with a different mounting plate here, but the holes are all the same. So we're going to remove this batwing one. Comes with a little rubber gasket. We'll go ahead and take this one down. Okay, I removed the front cover there. There are 4 number 1 Phillips screws, and then there are 4 number 2 Phillips screws. Took that off, and we can go and pull this down. What you're going to have to do is get this connector through this rubber gasket here. What I'm going to do is just take a little utility knife and very carefully, not touching the wire, we'll make a little slot in there so it'll easily pull through. Next, you're going to want to take and clean up a little bit of silicone that's around the old one there. Okay, got that cleaned up. If you do not have a pigtail there, you would need to wire it into one of your running lights. Now that all that silicone is removed there, we have our new mounting plate here. Put that up there, and we're going to go ahead, push this in till it locks. Slip that in inside the wall there, and go ahead and mount our 4 screws in the old holes. Okay, got that on there. What you're going to want to do is take a little bit of silicone and then run it over the top there. Make sure that's nicely sealed. On the lens, a little plastic film, you can remove that. And now we're ready to go and plug in the monitor and let it pair up. Okay, I have it in our cigarette lighter there. Go ahead and turn our lights on. Already paired, backup camera's working.